In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit footer in Wix Studio. Let's start at wix.com and sign into your account. From your site dashboard, open the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. Once the editor loads, we'll head straight to the bottom of the page. Scroll down until you reach the very end of your canvas. You're looking for a clear footer label across the section at the bottom. If you see that label, it means a footer already exists and you can begin editing it. If you don't see it, no worries, we'll add one now. Click the Add button, the plus icon on the left. Choose Add Section, then open the Sections panel if it isn't already visible. In the Sections list, find and select Footers. You'll see a gallery of footer layouts with different structures and designs. Pick a layout that fits your site's style and content needs, then click Add to Page. The new footer will be placed at the bottom automatically. When you're done adding, close the Add panel so you have a clear view of your canvas. Now it's time to customize. Click your footer to select it and start editing the content. Replace placeholder text with your own, such as your copyright line, important links, or a physical address. Update buttons to point to key pages like Contact or Shop. Swap in your social media icons and connect them to the right profiles. If the layout includes a menu, edit the links so they match your site's navigation. Drag in your logo and adjust its size for a balanced look. If your design calls for a form, customize the fields and submission settings to match your needs. Take a moment to refine spacing, alignment, and typography so everything feels clean and consistent. You can adjust column widths, tweak margins, and set colors so the footer complements your site's overall design. Remember that footers often appear across multiple pages, so keep the information concise, trustworthy, and up to date. Before you wrap up, switch to the responsive views and check the footer on tablet and mobile. Make sure text is readable, buttons are easy to tap, and icons don't crowd each other. Small adjustments here go a long way for a polished result. That's it. You've opened your site, added a footer if needed, and edited the content to fit your brand. Publish your changes when you're happy, and your site will have a professional, informative footer that helps visitors find what they need.